This 2018 Vanleigh Vilano 375 FLL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanleigh is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features microwave, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, TV, oven, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Vanleigh Vilano 375 FLL is 14,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.